studying in Australia. We were together with childhood friends.
See the fish, which is so fresh. My absolute favorite and must orders from Momo Ayam: butter garlic prawns as well as mixed fried rice. Do you remember reading about Mangal Pandey and his mutiny that led to the uprising that ended East India Company? Barakpur, some 16 miles away from Calcutta, turned into a little Calcutta or Chota Calcutta. This happened because of the mastermind of Marcus Wellesley, who moved here in the year 1801. This place has a long history that began much before the coming of Job Charnock, who had been in Barakpur for a while, raised a bungalow and gathered a little bazaar close by. And it all began in the oldest cantonment of India, Barakpur. We finally settled inside Momo Ayam at Barakpur. This is our location for today. The exact address of this place is 16 by 15 Ghoshpara Road. And we are here to try out some amazing dishes of Momo Ayam at Barakpur. This is like a dream for a lot of people over here, having such amazing oriental food at Barakpur, which is amazing. So I have the menu of the place over here. So let's show you what this place is famous for. So you have your soups, your soupy noodles. There are salads, you have the starters, vegetarian first, some non-vegetarian starters. The prawn chips is very popular over here, so are the dim sums and the baos. You have your momos, different types, you have your platters, you have your soupy ones. Then the baos, Momo Ayam special bowls. Then you have your sides, veg and non-veg. You have all sorts of meats. You have fish, you have chicken, you have pork, you have prawns. Then you have your staples, the rice and the noodles. And finally, the dessert. So we have the first starter of the day, which is the soy 56 bao. You can see the fish, which is so fresh. Let's take the bite. Insane. There is this kaffir lime taste, which is incredible. The fish is spicy, it's crispy, it's fresh and juicy. It doesn't get much better than this. Thank you. So this is how they serve a thumbs up. The crew for the day, for today's shoot, we have Debru behind the camera. We have Shinchan, who's my moderator, and we have Mirabel, who's my moderator. Excited about today?
Yes.
You already had your first item, how was it?
I loved the bao. I personally don't prefer baos much, but it's brilliant.
How has the journey been thus far?
It was pretty good except for the parking part.
Parking is an issue, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So how did you manage it?
We actually moved a bit far from the property, from Momo Ayam. So we have managed to park there.
Alright, so this is a portion of drums of hell. You have 5 very spicy drumsticks tossed in a sauce, and you have capsicums, you have different types of bell peppers, some chilies, some onions. It's a very, very spicy dish, which is why it's called drums of hell. This is juicy, very meaty, so there's no much coating. What you see is what you get. It's a solid piece of chicken. It's very well dressed, very well marinated. This is a perfect piece of drums of ham. Next up, we have the panko crumb fried prawns. We have around 8 or 10 pieces of these shrimps. These are light fried. So the prawn is like. Let's take a bite. I love the prawn items at Momo Iron. Be it your hargaus, be it your butter garlic prawns, or the clam fried prawns. This too gets added to the list of items which I really like. I'm surprised they don't give a dip with this, so that is a slight disappointment. But as it turns out, they do give a dip. So you have two different types of dips over here. I'm gonna have such dishes without dips are incomplete. So I was surprised, but no, they do have dips. I'm impressed with the prawns, it tastes good. But the feedback which I have is both these dips are pretty similar to each other. So if they are planning to give 2 dips for this particular dish, I would have preferred at least one of them to be a sweet chili dip. That would have given a different kind of a feel and taste, cutting the monotony. So that's one suggestion which I have for them. Guys, how's your pork dish?
It's fabulous. As you can see, the meat is very tender. Okay, so all the pork lovers out there, this is a must try.
Mirka?
It's juicy. The sauce in which it's tossed, it's amazing. And the taste, it's very subtle. It's not too spicy, not too sweet. It's great.
Alright. How was your starters experience been?
So it was kind of balanced. So I liked the bao, and then the drums of hell, I liked it. And I was slightly disappointed with the prawns, the crispy fried prawns. It was not up to the mark.
Okay. What did you not like about it?
It was actually, I think it's over fried. It was a bit oily. Taste of smell of oil was there.
Okay.
So, and slightly bit less salty. Thank you.
Alright, so this is the soup which we have. So you have a sunny side up egg over here. It is filled with a lot of flat noodles. Then you have chopped chicken. You have kaffir lime. You have a lot of coriander on top. Some chopped peanuts as well. I can see a lime over here. It's a very colorful, healthy kind of a dish. Perfect for winters. This reminds me of Thailand. This has Thailand written all over it. Main courses of the day, we have a mixed Momo Iron chopsy. I'm gonna just transfer this. I love this particular dish. More so recently, I'm a fan of anything which is gravy noodles. So this, you can see the freshness of the prawns over here. It's pink and light. It's delicious. Along with this, okay, I'm gonna take some egg from here. Some fried egg. Done. Alongside this, what we have is a portion of harissa chicken. So this is harissa chicken. It's piping hot. So crunchy, so fresh. I've always been a firm believer that Momo Iron is one outlet which has good starters as well as good main course. It has a very good balance of both. Most Asian places which we go to, either the starters are really good or the main courses. But over here, you find a very good balance of good items you can order, be it starters or be it the main course. And this is consistent with that opinion of mine. ক্যামেরায় দেখাটা দরকার এটাই তো His expressions are like जो बिये बाड़ी ते है ना जखन दुल्हन का हैलोजन लेके फोटोज दिया जाता है
এরা ভুল করে যাবে ওই জন্য এতক্ষণ
দেখি দাদা একটু মুখটা দেখান
Thank you. These are my absolute favorite and must orders from Momo IM. Butter garlic prawns as well as mixed fried rice. I think that's pretty much it. It has broccoli, guys. Guys, tomorrow bhabte parsho etate broccoli diyeshe. And my favorite butter garlic prawns from Momo IM. Just look at the size of these guys. But this is a prawn main course, it's not a starter. And this is the size which you get over here. This is insane. So we have Revu as well as Prabhakar, the owners of Momo IM. So guys, where are we sitting at?
We're at Barrackpur.
Wow, how did this happen?
So, well, you know, Barrackpur, we've always wanted to grow outside Calcutta.
Okay.
Not go too far. So I think Barrackpur made sense.
Alright, so how has it been, this journey?
It's been pretty good. We launched on the first week of October,
Okay.
right around the puja time. So the response has been phenomenal. So the reason for coming to Barrackpur was, you know, like there's a pretty good market here from what we understood, and you know, our kind of cuisine wasn't here, you know. So we
Not
wanted
predominant,
to
no.
offer this fare to the people here, and so far, you know, like people are loving it, and you know, we're getting good crowd.
Okay. Could you mention the exact address of this place?
Exact address is just beside Dada Bhoti Biryani.
Okay.
Above Brent Bell's bar.
Alright.
Which is just bang opposite the Barrackpur railway station.
Alright, alright. And what about the timings, Revu?
So it's open from 12 noon and goes on till 10:30.
10:30. Guys, how has the journey been for Momo IM? It's been a phenomenal journey for you guys, right? Would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we were studying in Australia. We were together, we were childhood friends. And then we were working there, we studied hospitality. And then, you know, one day we just got drunk and we just started talking about what we were going to do in the future and stuff like that. And then we came up with this idea of Momo IM. So in 2012, we came back to Calcutta. Somehow we managed to open a small outlet in Lake
Which
Gardens.
was?
Lake Gardens.
Lake Gardens, okay.
Yeah. And then the story started from there.
There for a good 10 years. We were in Sydney. We did a degree in hotel management. And then, you know, like you said, we came back in 2012 after, like, you know, contemplating about the future. Like, you know, we wanted to do something of our own business. So we came here and, you know, we started with a small 300 square foot restaurant in Lake Gardens, just beside Lords Moor. And it kicked off, like, you know, really well. And we started, you know, like growing into a pretty strong brand, you know, and we had a very good fan following. And from then on, we opened in Chinar Park in 2015, and there too, you know, the response was amazing. And then after that was Gold Park and Salt Lake. So, you know, and now, like, the latest addition to the Momo IM family is this place in Barrackpur, which is like really cool, you know. We've you know, like, come up with the same food and the decor and the vibes. It's like this, what you get in Kolkata in any of our Momo outlets. This is like the same.
Absolutely, that's an incredible story. So what's new, guys? We would love to know what is next.
So at Sector 5 outlet, we're coming up with a new offer. Starting 15th of January.
Alright.
It'll go on till whenever.
What is the offer?
So the offer is we have unlimited food and beverages.
Okay.
Packages for 1199.
Double one, 1200.
That's 1200.
Okay.
So what you get in that is you get a soup, 5 starters, 4 main sides, and then rice and noodles plus dessert.
Okay.
Our signature raspberry
Dessert, even
cheesecake.
cheesecake?
Yeah, we have the cheesecake, and we have matcha miso as well, which is a fusion of Japanese and Italian tiramisu.
Unlimited.
So, yeah, that's unlimited.
Okay.
And along with that, you get unlimited drinks, which includes starting from soft beverages to juices to mocktails, cocktails.
Cocktails as well, unlimited.
Unlimited whiskey, gin, brandy, vodka, and beers. You know, all IMF.
Wow.
So I mean, it's a very good offer, guys. For 1200, you're getting unlimited food and drinks, you know, as much as you can.
That's incredible.
And we have the second option, which is 999 which has unlimited food but with limited drinks, which includes 4 IMFLs, like whiskey or gin or hard beverages, or 2 beers or 2 mocktails or 2 cocktails or 2 soft beverages or juices, whatever you prefer. So that basically has the same food options, minus the unlimited drinks. So these are limited.
I think that's still a pretty good deal, because I don't see a normal person finishing off more than 4. We shouldn't as well. That's an incredible offer. What I'll do is I would love to cover that as well. So maybe we can arrange for part 2 of this particular video. Part 1 is Momo and Barrackpur. Part 2 is going to be this amazing offer which you've come up with. And we cannot wait to try that out. Let's give that one a try. Thank you so much, guys, for having us over firstly and agreeing to have a conversation. I loved the little bit of history which I got to know from you guys, the little nugget of history. And we wish you all the best for your future endeavors too. Cheers.
Thank you. Thanks.
Guys, we have the final item of the day. This is the dessert. It's called a vanilla and raspberry bao. Alright. So this has bananas inside. It is filled with syrup. And then there's this ice cream by the side. It's a very unique dessert. I love desserts with bananas. I'm definitely missing the cheesecake over here, but this is something unique. I'm glad that they have this and not your normal dasa. So that was our experience at Barrackpur. We loved the food over here. We did not feel that we are sitting at anywhere else. The food taste is exactly the same. The selection of the menu is also really good. Like you heard the owners say, that they're coming up with a new offer. Unlimited food and drinks, including alcohol, and that's going to be launched on the 15th of January. What we'll do is we'll go back to Momo and Sector 5 and we'll try to shoot a vlog from there with this particular festival as well. So I think what is going to be most feasible is we're going to be dividing this particular video into 2 parts again. So the first part is going to be Momo and Barrackpur, and the second part is going to be Momo and Sector 5 with the unlimited food. We've tried out a la carte portions today. We're going to be trying out everything which includes in the menu for the unlimited food, and we're going to be showing you that as well. That video is going to be coming up next Monday, same time. This video is here. Let me know how you like this particular video, our journey from Kolkata to Barrackpur to enjoy a scrumptious Asian meal at Momo IM. If you did like the video, please do share it with your friends and family members. Do comment, let us know how the experience was. If you've come here before, again, let me know in the comment section how your experience has been, whether it was different or you agree with my review of the same. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Barrackpur. Cheers.